Hello everyone, this is Jag. In this video I'm covering everything you need to know on how to grow carrots from seed to harvest. So let's get started. Carrots are root vegetables and require loose soil so that they do not have any resistance growing into the soil. You can also use berms to grow carrots by hilling up the soil. I prefer to grow my carrots in raised bed with lots of compost. I made a video on how you can make your own hot compost. Check the video out if you're interested. I'll leave a link to that video in the description. Since I use a lot of compost, I do not have to add any more fertilizer to grow carrots. I got some carrot seeds here. Carrot seeds are very small, so be careful about planting the seeds. It is very easy to plant a lot of these seeds in a very small space. Run trowel through the dirt to create rows. Plant seeds about ½ inch deep and 1 inch apart. Row spacing should be 12 inches or 1 foot apart. Cover the seeds after planting. Carrots are slow to germinate and take about 2 to 3 weeks to germinate. After 4 weeks, the carrot plants are easily visible. After 6 weeks, the carrot plants are about 4 to 6 inches tall. After 2 months, the carrot plants fill in and are about 12 inches or a foot tall. Carrots are a cool weather crop. Plant carrots in fall or autumn, or in spring 2 weeks before the last frost. Water regularly and keep the soil moist so that carrots continue to grow deeper in the soil. In California, it's been raining often for past 3 months, so I did not have to water my fall and winter vegetable garden at all. After 3 months of growing, carrot plants are about 18 inches tall and carrots are growing well underneath the plants. I could see a glimpse of carrots, but unlike radishes and turnips, carrots do not show above the soil. Scratch a bit and you will see the carrots growing right under the soil. Carrots are now ready to harvest. So before I pull those carrots, it's story time. Once there was a bus full of politicians going on a country road, and the driver fell asleep and crashed the bus right into a field of a carrot farmer. And you know what the farmer did? He buried all the politicians. So when the sheriff came, the sheriff asked, "Farmer, where are all the politicians?" The farmer said, "Oh, I buried them all." The sheriff said, "What? Were they all dead?" The farmer said, "Oh, some of them were saying they weren't, but you know how politicians lie." And now it's harvest time. Let's go pull those carrots. I have 2 carrots growing right next to each other. Let me pull the first one and then the second carrot. These are looking absolutely beautiful. Some carrots are a bit harder to get out of the ground, but it is an amazing experience to pull carrots that you grow yourself. Wow, check this one out. This has been a bounty of carrots just from one row. I left the smaller carrots in place for later harvest. Well, check this out. These are some really nice carrots. Look at these beautiful carrots. These are going to go really nice in my dish. After washing, look at these gorgeous carrots. These are going to be really good eating. Every week I kept pulling more and more carrots as they mature at different rate. I pulled about 5 to 6 carrots every single week for the next 6 weeks. Some carrots are smaller, but they are a treat. They are very sweet and delicious, way more flavorful than any store-bought carrot. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in another video. Well, check these out. These are some really nice radishes.